Kitty, mamimiss kita mamaya.
Mamimiss po kita.
I'm gonna miss you.
Gonna miss you too.
Never leave me.
Okay.
But you're gonna leave me tonight.
But I will balik on Saturday morning.
I'm gonna miss you.
Gonna miss you.
Hindi kita katabi mamaya.
Call kita pag nasa car ako.
Come back, please.
Yes. On Friday.
Friday?
Yes. On Saturday pala.
Tomorrow na yung Friday.
No, I just forgot.
You have exam kasi anak, no?
Nasabi ko lang bigla eh. I'll come on Saturday.
I miss you. Morning, ha, please.
Yes. Ew.
Ay! Why did you say ew?
You kiss me again, please.
Ba't sabi mo ew?
Sorry, it's B-roll lang.
Why did you say ew?
Sorry, Mama. Sorry po, Mama.
Dalaga na po kasi si Katie eh. Ayaw na niya ng kiss. Ayaw na ni Katie ng kiss?
Gusto.
Ay, leave me.
7:30. Malayo pa. Tell ko din si Mama.
Mama. Dito ko lang. I'm gonna miss my baby.
Wow.
I'm gonna miss you kasi.
I'm gonna miss you.
Forever.
Gonna miss you too.
Buti nag-talk tayo kagabi.
Yes po.
Dami mo palang sinasabi kay mama.
Opo.
Tampo ka kay mama?
Hindi.
Dami mo sinabi kagabi. Dami mong tampo.
Hindi. Mama,
I love you.
I love